Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. This video we're going to talk about Bitcoin, um, uh, ticker symbol BTC. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed to the channel, welcome back. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research. I'm simply sharing my experience and my path with you. Only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck holding for a long period of time. And beware of spam in the comments. You'll see maybe a conversation started out of the blue where basically someone tells you someone made them a lot of money by showing them how to trade crypto, and they'll try to lead you to another platform such as Telegram or WhatsApp. So please stay clear of those comments. And also somebody might ask for information about moving crypto from their wallet to an exchange, and they'll provide their security key. So please stay away from those. And know that the spam in the comments are in no way affiliated with the channel. Alright, so when it comes to Bitcoin or BTC, if you've invested in, bought, sold, hold, or traded, or mine, or plan on doing more research on Bitcoin, go ahead and put a hashtag BTC in the comments. And in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to explain where you can find it, or exchanges, for example. And then we'll look at the max chart for Bitcoin from when it was, from way back in 2010 or so to now, the long chart. And then we'll pick out a spot in there where Bitcoin seemed to have price range has been flat, and we'll zoom it in and check out that month and do a simulated trading block on that particular area. And then again, we're going to show you the current prices and do a simulated trade for Bitcoin as we've been doing. And this will cover about 24 days current as of today's date. All right. So let's go ahead and look at where can you buy Bitcoin at these days. So basically, Bitcoin is sold in every exchange that sells crypto, so to speak. So all the major crypto exchanges and some regular exchanges will hold it, and these include Coinbase, Uphold, Kraken, Crypto.com, Binance, XT.com, BitUnix, Weeks, NerdWallet, Robinhood, and Gemini. Now when it comes to Robinhood, Robinhood is a site that sells crypto and stocks, and there's smaller other ones that do that too. But basically, if anybody holds crypto and sells it, then you bet they're going to have Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin right now, since it's the oldest crypto and the #1 in market cap, it is the easiest to buy. Not the cheapest, of course, but the easiest to access. All right. So now let's look at how Bitcoin looked at it from a broad range. So if we go way back here to 2012, September 2012 or so, all the way here is we're trading flat, basically under 25K is how it's written down. And we're going to look at this area right here. You see where it looks like it's flat, it went up, went down, but it's like here. So somewhere here, there's a November 2022. We're going to do a simulation and see if it was worth trading in this slow period when it wasn't moving. It was pretty much the bear market from these two all-time highs up here, and then it dipped down and cooled off. And we'll look at that. All right. So let's see what we got in that low. So Bitcoin, the price action, this is from November 1st, 2022 to November 30th, 2022, period of 30 days, where the high price reached $21,417.69. So that was here, and that was on November 5th. And on November 9th, it reached its low of all the way down to $15,742.44. All right. So let's look at the percentage rates that we could have got from these trades, these top five. We got our 6.3 here, looks like about 3 days. 1 day turnaround at 5.4, and another 1 day turnaround at 11.7. And then here on the 14th, we've got a 1 day turnaround at 6.2 and a 9.1, about looks like a little over a week, 8 days here, just 9.1%. So let's see what we got here on our calculator. Let's close that out. Let's look at these percentages. So we'll use $3,000 and see if these were worth anything as well. So this 6.3 would have got us 189. The 5.4 would have got us $162. This 11.7 would have got us $351. The 6.2 would have got us $186. And the 9.1 would have got us $273. So total $1,100. So it's even with this, but you have to be dead on and on it, but because there wasn't much room for error. But even when crypto looks like it's flat or it's not moving, or it's, in this case it hit its lowest point in a few years, that it still can possibly to make money swing trading. And you could have split these up different ways here and there. But yeah, and then some of these 5.4 might be the lowest you want to go as far as trading, unless you got a site that don't charge fees for trading, or real low trading. Because sites like Coinbase and there was the major sites, easier ones, they're going to charge you more for swing trading or for any purchases. So, all right, so that was then. Let's compare that to today's rates, or today's prices. So here, like I said, it went as low as 15,700 and some change. Now we go to today, from July 1st to July 24th, 24 days here, and we're looking at the high price of $122,780 and a low price of $105,000. So you're looking at 15,000. It's way higher. Let's see what our trades look like in this 24-day time period. All right, so it's not as good as it was back then, it seems, but it did tail off and level out. So let's look at these. Actually, let's look at the trades first. So we have this one, looks like a 2-day turnaround of 4.4%. Here it looks like a 3 to 4 day turnaround at 9.3%. Then a quick 4.5% turnaround, and 2.5, 3 days. Then another 3-day 3.7, and then here 1-day turnaround 2.5. So yeah, this was probably broke even here. But anyway, let's go ahead and run the numbers and see how much we would have earned. These is 4.4 would have got us $132. The 9.3, $279. The 3.7 would have yielded $135. And did I skip the 4.5? Yeah, I did skip the 4.5. These were 111 at 3 points. Let's do like this: 111, 657, and then this one was only $75. Okay, so I should have got $732 for these. So here's our total for $732 over the last 24 days. That's not too good, but still, if you look at it, that it's riding pretty high. It's back up to 122, or it's got up to 122. Now it's down here. It's under 120, 118, 119,000. So if it rises back up with 6 days left, there's a chance to get $1,000. But still, this time, in these 24 days, because it cooled off and it kind of dipped a little, but it's still holding steady. So we call this trading flat. And here you would stay away from this 2.5 or 3.7 if you're trading for real. You'd have to be patient, and you might even want to wait until it gets lower to buy once you sold at this top. Even if you did, butt back in, you're waiting for this to at least pass this. So, and this one you might have waited too. But anyway, $732. We weren't able to get $1,000 in 24 days, but still, like I said, there's 6 days left in the trading cycle, so it's still possible. So from that, let's go ahead on and let's see. We will go ahead and close it out there. So we did talk about this before. So now, if you did found this video useful, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new material is posted. And if you haven't done so already, if you are interested in learning more about Bitcoin, or already invested, bought, sold, mined, or interested in mining Bitcoin, put a hashtag BTC in the comments. And if you want to see more cryptos broken down in the same manner, go ahead and hit the rectangle in the middle of the page. And if you want to see what else this channel offers, hit the circle in the bottom right. All right, so thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.